Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your affiliate program using GoHighLevel. So I'm going to walk you through step by step from creating the form, adding it to your website, creating the automations as well as the affiliate campaign, and then additionally what the dashboard of the affiliate looks like so you can see what they're going to see when they sign in. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we need to do is go into our Sites tab, go into Forms, and then we're going to need to create an affiliate sign-up form. So let's go ahead and add a new form. Now the main information that we're going to need is going to be their full name, their email, and their phone number. So first thing I like to do when I'm building these forms is I like to label it. So for this one, we're just going to label it affiliate sign up. And now we can go ahead and drag and drop their full name, email, and then phone, as well as adding in a little button down here for them to submit. Now, if you already have your page created, you kind of know what your color scheme is, and you can go ahead and adjust your form and how you would like it to look. So I'm just going to do this as an example. Now our affiliate sign-up is created. We need to go into either the funnel or the website that we're going to be hosting our form on. And as you can see here, here's my affiliate sign-up page. So for this, all I did was clone an existing page and then add a simple header and subheadline. And then now you're going to go in and add in your form. Okay, so here's what it's going to look like. Let's go ahead and hit save. Okay, so once our form is saved, we can go back out and then we can preview the page to see what they're going to see. So here it is. Here's our affiliate sign up page. Now, the next thing we need to do is we need to create our affiliate campaign. So the first step you need to take is make sure that whatever website or funnel you're using has a domain attached to it, because this is going to be the link that is going to be custom to them, where they can give this link to others to purchase your product. So make sure you have a domain attached to your website or your funnel. Next up, let's go into marketing. We're going to go into our affiliate manager under campaigns, and we're going to add a new campaign. So the first thing you need to do is label your campaign and then select what funnel or website you want to link to your campaign. Okay, and then as you can see, it gives you a little example of what it's going to look like. So this is your domain for your funnel, and then this is the unique ID that's going to be attached. And where it says affiliate ID, this is going to say, usually it's the beginning letters of the person's name followed by a few different numbers. And then you can click on it and see that it loads the home page. So next up, you need to select the campaign commission type, whether you want it to be product-based or default. So if you want to give somebody $5 on every purchase that's made through their affiliate link, no matter what product it is, then that's where you would select default commission. But if you wanted to make it to where it was based on product itself, then that's where you would select product-based commission. So once that's selected, you're going to want to add in your product. Go ahead and find your product. And next you're going to select whether it's going to be a commission-based or percentage-based commission or flat rate commission. And then go ahead and add in what that price is going to be. Additionally, you can go ahead and add a campaign description for what this campaign is going to be about. I'm just going to put in test campaign. You can go ahead and elaborate if this is a specific campaign for your training course or specific product. You can add that in here. If you had affiliates to add, you can go ahead and hit add affiliate, select the affiliate you want to add. And then next up is payout frequency. So this is how many days until they're going to be paid out. So for normal products where it's instant purchase, you probably could do pay within 15 days or at 15 days. But if you're selling something that's subscription based and you're giving a 30-day free trial or 30-day money back guarantee, you might want to select pay out at 60 days. Next up is the second tier commission type. So for this, you can have percentage based or flat commission. And then additionally, where it says email template, this is where you can select what email template you want them to receive that's going to have their affiliate dashboard link as well as their campaign information. So for now, we're going to use the default template, and I'll go ahead and show you what that's going to look like. Now, the last thing you need to do is select the cookie life. So you can adjust this to however much or however little you want it to be. Now, the cookie life is simply how long their link is going to last for when somebody clicks on it to when they make a purchase. So if somebody clicks on my link and they've had it for 30 days and they haven't made a purchase, and then they use another link to make a purchase, then I will not get credited for that purchase. So that's just as an example. So once you've filled this out, you're going to go ahead and create your campaign. Now, it's important to note that your campaign status, if you didn't add an affiliate when you were creating your campaign status is going to be inactive. So it's going to look like this, okay? Now, in order to activate your campaign status and to send an affiliate invite email to your contact or your potential affiliates, you're going to want to add an affiliate. Now, if you don't have one, you're going to go into your affiliates and you're simply going to add one in here. Click new affiliate, put in your information, and then add. Okay, so let's go ahead and make sure this is updated. Okay, so once that's done, we're going to go into our automation and we're going to create the workflow that's going to automatically create the affiliate and add them to the campaign. So let's go ahead and create a workflow, start from scratch. Okay, now the first thing we want to do is label our workflow. So we're going to label this create affiliate. Now our trigger is going to be form submitted, and then go ahead and select your affiliate sign up form. Okay, and next up we're going to add them to our affiliate manager. So adding them to the affiliate manager is just going to create them as an affiliate, and then you're going to want to add them to a campaign. So they won't be sent a link to use or a dashboard to log into until they've been added to the campaign. So for instance, if you wanted to evaluate somebody before you added them as an affiliate for your product, you could simply add in all the evaluation information you wanted to your form. And then once that form's submitted, you could add a step in here to notify you where you could verify, yes, this is okay, this is good to go. And then you can manually add them, or you can just have it automatically add them based on this workflow. So now what this workflow is going to do is once they've submitted the form, it's going to create them as an affiliate, and then it's going to add them to our campaign. Now, additionally, you can add in a nice welcome text or an additional welcome email to this, as well as follow-up sequencing to this affiliate. If you had an opportunity that you wanted to add them to, or if you wanted to tag them, you can add that in there as well. But this is just the basic automation that will automatically create and add them to an affiliate campaign. So we're going to go ahead and save this. And now that that's saved, you can go ahead and go into your sites, go into your sign up page, and you can go ahead and sign up, or send it to somebody else to sign up and test it out. I'm going to show you the default email real quick so you see what it's going to look like. Okay, so this is the default email that gets sent to new affiliates when they sign up. So the headline or subject line is simply that they have been added, and then it puts in the campaign name. And then the from name is always going to be the location name. So then here you can see how it says, hi, affiliate manager first name. And then it goes through, we are happy to have you a part of. It lists the campaign name again. It gives them their custom affiliate link. And then it also gives them the amount that they will get paid for every time somebody purchases a product using their link. Now below, here's the login. So all it gives them is an email ID and a link to their dashboard. So essentially what they'll do is they'll click on this link, It's going to take them to their affiliate client portal. What it will have them do, I'll go ahead and show you. If I log out, I'll show you what they're going to see. So when they first click the link, this is what they see. So they're going to see their email. They're going to go ahead and put it in, and then it's going to generate a secure code and have them log into their account. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my information, log in, and then show you what they have access to inside their affiliate dashboard. Okay, as you can see, I have now successfully logged into my affiliate dashboard. So the first thing that they're going to be able to see is their campaigns. So if they're attached to multiple campaigns, they'll be able to view that here. They can also see the status of each campaign, so if it's active or inactive. And then additionally, they can see how many leads they have. So leads is the number of people that have clicked on their affiliate link. Customers is the amount of people that have purchased with their link. And then commission is the total amount that they've made off of their affiliate link. Additionally, they can also see their affiliate link here and copy it and then go ahead and share it to friends, family, social media, however they want to send it out. Now under leads and customers, so this is basically analytics on their leads and customers, but it's based off of campaigns, so they can actually filter it down if they were part of multiple campaigns. Same thing for commission. There's general commission for all of their campaigns they're a part of, as well as filtering based off of per campaign basis. Now with media, so this is really cool. So right now, I don't have any media uploaded, but if you or your business has like website banners, social media images, just any form of media assets that you could send somebody that they could use when they're sharing your website on their social media, you can actually go into your agency account or your sub account, go into marketing, find your affiliate manager, and scroll down to media. And then in here, you can upload all of those website banners or social media images, and your affiliate will be able to see them inside their account. Now, the next thing the affiliate can do is if you do have communities built or courses that you are going to give them access to, they can select communities or courses and they can access them from their dashboard as well. Now, additionally, if they click their little bubble up here, they can go into their account and they can go ahead and view their profile. They can add in a profile picture, profile cover. They can basically customize it to them. If they go into their account, they can see their account information. They can go ahead and change their password, as well as adding in all of their social media information too. Now, if they need to go back to their dashboard from here, all they do is click affiliates and it'll take them right back where we started. So that's pretty much it on what they will see. Now, if we go back to our affiliate manager and we go back to our campaigns, if you wanted to change the default email template that is sent out, all you need to do is go into emails at the top, go into templates, and then you're going to want to create a new template using the design editor. And then from here, you're going to use custom values. So you can go ahead and add in your logo like you normally would. You can add in social media links to the bottom. You can just customize the email template how you would like to brand to your business. And then in terms of actually adding in verbiage, you can add in whatever kind of welcome you want. You just need to make sure you use the affiliate manager custom values. So if you go to the top to this little icon that says custom values, scroll down to where you see affiliate manager and make sure you use these links and these custom values. If you don't and you go to contacts and use this custom value, this one will not work for this default email template. I know from experience because I've tried this. So you'll want to go to affiliate manager, add in first name, and then the campaign name is just going to be the campaign name. Commission value, so this is the commission value they're going to get paid for that campaign. The affiliate link, so this is their link they can share. Location name, this is going to be your sub-account name, and then the client portal app URL is going to be the link that they can use to access their dashboard. So using that, you can kind of play around with how you want to word it. Go ahead and save your template. Make sure you label it something having to do with affiliate. go ahead and change. Maybe we'll title it new affiliate. How's that? And we'll go ahead and save. Okay, so now that that's done, we can go back into our affiliate manager, select campaigns, click the 3 little dots, and go ahead and edit your campaign. Scroll down where it says email template, and then select new affiliate template. And go ahead and update. So you can actually change what email is sent out based on what campaign they're being assigned to. But for this campaign, in general, that's how you would add one in. So yeah, that's pretty much it on adding or creating your affiliate program with GoHighLevel. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. If you like this video, feel free to like it, share it, subscribe, comment. Yeah, I hope this helped. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thank you so much for watching.